Here I would say, let me think of something and I just do it exactly the way I'm thinking about it. So follow me and we'll do this. Yes, my name is Maurice, the crochet master. And like I said, let me think of something and I do it exactly the way I'm thinking about it. So if you want to join me on this one, I would like, if it's your first time, please click on that red button, ring the bell. This is the channel that always gives you different types of hairstyles, and another thing is that we always upload every week. So please make sure that you click on the red button, ring the bell. My name is Maurice, the crochet master, and I work at Hair by Clippers. That is Clippers with Z. So if you want to follow all our work, you can search for Hair by Clippers. Trust me, you will see what you need to have. Yes, that's how it is. So I thought of this kind of a hairstyle, and it is going to be 2-in-1, as you're going to be seeing. But I know most of you guys are going to ask me about some questions. Many times I've been uploading videos and talk about some things. Yes, some of you guys skip, and then after I get the same questions in my comment section, yet I had already explained about them. So that's why I always want you to pay attention most of the times to the words that I'm saying, even on the videos that we always have to do. So by the time I realized that I was going to do something that is 2-in-1, and I decided to make sure that I separate these and make something like a stitch, a cornrow. You got the touch of a cricket master, yeah. Oh no, no, no.
Got those around my soul, baby. I've been thinking about the way you're looking, yeah. Oh, you get the one boy I can. Maurice, the crochet master, did a make on you, yeah, yeah. The nigga did you so right. Your makeup so nice, body fine like wine. You look so good, so good. Maurice, the crochet master, yabako kolangako. Ako toto waza, beauty na chidayo. Engeri jonjumye, okwana nembaga. You look so good, nobody do it like Maurice. Yeah, nobody do it like Maurice, yeah. The crochet master. Nobody do it like Maurice, yeah. Oh no, 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 no. Nobody do it like Maurice. The crochet master, crochet master. He got the touch of a crochet master. Yeah, no, no. Maurice got the touch of a crochet master. No, no, no. He got the touch of a crochet master, yeah, yeah. A touch of a crochet master, Maurice, yeah, yeah. He got the touch of a crochet master, Maurice, your crochet master, Maurice, your crochet master, no, 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 touch of a crochet master. He's so good. Zabadabuza nzenyabo waka video kakoledewa. Forgive me if I'm too bold na on you me de no kamala. Bakutonye tonya kaviri. Kulya kulaba kakwegomba. Ufananye African queenie. Manicure, pedicure, checho. Wali ewa we see the crochet master. Body professional, movie and video bakugunyo. If you wanna look good, come and visit. Bakukola kaviri, no la bikanga queenie. Body neat expected. So good and fancy. Bakukola kavili, no da bikango mutini.
Yes, this is how amazing that my creativity brought. So now, after all that, let's try to do a little bit, some simple makeup, and then we see how it is going to be done. Yes, but the only thing I tried to think of, I wanted this hairstyle to be 2-in-1, in that she can always do it on the sideways and looks like a sideway, and then if she wants, she can also make it going behind. So those are the styles that I want to show you in this hairstyle.
Maurice the crochet master yabako kolangako ako toto wansa beauty na chitayo engeri jonjumye okwana nembaga. You look so good, nobody do it like Maurice. Yeah, nobody do it like Maurice. Yeah, the crochet master. Nobody do it like Maurice. Yeah. Oh no 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 no, nobody do it like Maurice. The crochet master. Crochet master, got the touch of a crochet master. Yeah, no, no. Maurice got the touch of a crochet master. No, no, no. He got the touch of a crochet master. Yeah, yeah. A touch of a crochet master. Maurice, yeah, yeah. He got the touch of a crochet master. Crochet master, Maurice. You crochet master, Maurice. Crochet master, crochet master, no, no, no. Touch of a crochet master. He's so good, yeah, yeah. Crochet master, ooh, yeah. Sometimes you need a little loving. Oh, I gotta call like a video, Shanane. Hey, you need some little pampering. Tomuko no mukugo bumaniche kukora. Kitake wa crochet master. Yakugu kamo viri kati master. Makeup uono genius. Akukola kono nyuma. Jangu, wa crochet master. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Jangu, Jangu. Crochet
So right here, finally, we got our look. You can see how amazing she looks. Yes, so it can be a behind style. It can also be like a sideway format, like the way you can see. Or another thing, if you want, you can make you can make it like a fringe. Yes, you can make it like a fringe. So don't get twisted. This hairstyle is very, very nice, so amazing. The extensions are very, very soft on the head, and they don't tangle at all. My name is Maurice the Crochet Master, and please, if you have anything that you want to talk about, you can always go in my comment section, tell me where you are, or where you're coming from, and where you're watching this video from, and I'll be very, very happy to hear from you. So remember one thing, that we are open. The school is open here by Clippers Technical Institute. You can always come and join us so that we can learn together. This is how amazing our hair looks like when it is behind, and remember, it can also be in front. Bye bye, see you in my other next video.